We are taught from a very young age to conform, right? Your parents say, this is how we do this, and this is how you do that. We learn all these things, and it's really good for us to learn these things. We can socialize and we can get along in society. Your teachers tell you, and this is how you do things. And then your first manager out of school, this is how we do things here. And so you start to believe, boy, the path to success is paved with conformity. And it's not. The path to mediocrity is paved with conformity, right? If you want to fit in and everyone else is fitting in, you're just one of many people who does whatever's needed in your role. If you're willing to offer something that's unique, that's valuable, that's different, then all of a sudden you stand out. There's a few things you need to do. First, you need to determine what is it that's unique about me that is valuable here, an ingredient that I offer that nobody else does. Whatever it is, think about those elements of who you are that are going to be most relevant and compelling at work. And then start to take some baby steps. Be a little bit controversial in a meeting by not agreeing with everyone and sharing your point of view. Be willing to add your personality to an email or to a team get together where people can really get to know you. Here's a really good way if you want to just try out standing out. When you're in a meeting and you go around the room and everyone says who they are, don't say, my name is Susan Smith and I work in market research out of the Boston office. Say, I am so excited to be in this meeting because my favorite part of this project we're working on is X. I happen to be have devoted my career to learning about that, and I'm really eager to be able to work with you on that. Right? All of a sudden, everyone who goes after you, they're not going to do the name, rank, and serial number. So take a little step outside your comfort zone and let it get reinforced positively, and then you'll take a bigger step.